105, sir.
114.
Yes, sir.
I know direct problem. A calculated A is equal to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. S equal to half AT square. So S value 2 meters is given. G value 10. T square T value calculate. A value standard output mission. A equal to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. So next one S equal to half AT square. S value 2 meters given. Substitute and simplify.
105, sir.
105. By 105 నాది కాదని చెప్పేదా నా ట్రాక్ ఓన్లీ 4 నా ట్రాక్ మాత్రం అడగాల ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ ట్రాక్
133, sir. 133.
133. L2 equal to L1 into 1 plus alpha. So aluminum rod length, so 133. L equal to 20 centimeter. Heat at 20 degrees to 40 degrees. Alpha value given 24 into 10 power minus 6. So L2 is equal to L1 into 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. So 20 into 10 power minus 2 into 1 plus 24 into 10 power minus 6 into T2 minus T1. 40 minus 20. That formula 2 into 10 power minus 1. 1 plus 24 into 10 power minus 6 into 20. So 2 into 10 power minus 1 into 1 plus 24 into 10 power 4 2 is 8, 48 into 10 power minus 5. Right, 2 into 10 power minus 1 into 1 plus 0.00048. So 2 into 10 power minus 1 into 1.00048. Right. So 1.000 into 2. 96, sir. So 96, 9.6. Okay, 0.96 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Next.
134.
138.
130.
4, sir.
134. The increase in temperature of aluminum rod, if the length to be increased by 1%. Direct formula. By direct increase in temperature of aluminum rod calculated. So delta L by L equal to alpha delta T. Delta L by L value direct fraction of length 1%. 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is equal to alpha value 25 into 10 power minus 6 into delta T. Okay. Alpha equal to delta L by L into delta T. Right. So that is equal to delta T is equal to 1 by 25 into 10 power minus 6 into 100. So delta T equal to 1 by 25 maybe 0.04. 04. 10 power 1 by 10 power minus 4. 1 by 0.4 or 0.04. 0.04. 04. So shifted to 10 power plus 4. Plus 4 means 400. 400 degrees C. Direct.
Track 2 was easy, sir.
Huh?
Easy వచ్చింది సార్ పేపర్ ట్రాక్ 2.
Paper very easy. Both tracks are easy paper.
Sir, track 1, sir, application.
Sir, 4,000, sir, not 400. Sir, 4,000, sir.
4. This is a 2 zeros. 2 zeros to 0.04, not 4. 4 zeros, 4 plus 4.
Track 2 easy only, sir, but track 1 only, sir.
Chari sir didn't teach all applications.
Yes, sir. Only 3 days, sir. Only will come on Saturday.
Track 1 also easy paper. Track 1 also easy.
Sir, easy paper, but no applications taught by
Even no, sir. Nothing, sir, again.
Not my responsibility. Okay, clear?
Sir, again, he said, RP sir did not saying, sir.
Right. Okay,
I told
clear?
RP sir.
2 days లో అయిపోయింది సార్ సిలబస్ మాది.
Saturday వస్తా అన్నాడు సార్, మరి రాలే మళ్ళీ.
ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మాకు చెప్పలేదు మీలాగా, అది కొంచెం
రోజు ఆర్పి సార్ ఏం చెప్పలేదా అంటుంది.
సార్ 2 days 6 classes
సార్ ఇవాళ అడిగారు ఆర్పి సార్
ఆర్పి సార్
చెప్పుకుంటారు
చెప్పలేదు సార్ మీకు.
సార్ మీరు చెప్పలేదంటారు.
ఇవాళ అడిగారు
మీకు
సార్ ఆర్పి
చెప్పలేదా?
సార్ మీకు ఈ టాపిక్ చెప్పారు కదా అని, కానీ మేము చెప్పలేదు అన్నాం. అది ఇనర్షియల్ ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ రెఫరెన్స్ అదే అండ్ సూడో ఫోర్స్.
అది లేదు, అది ఈ వీక్ ఉంది. నాకు సీనియర్స్ చెప్పాను ట్రాక్ 1. మీకు కూడా సేమ్ సీనియర్స్ కూడా ఇన్కంప్లీట్ ఉంటే సీనియర్స్ చెప్పాను నేను. సీనియర్స్ కమెంట్ చేసి ఆ ట్రాక్ చెప్పాను, నా ట్రాక్ కాకుండా సీనియర్ మీరు అడగలేదు, నేను చెప్పలేదు. మీరు అడిగి సార్ది పెండింగ్ ఉంది సార్, సార్ది కొంచెం డిస్కస్ చేయండి అంటే డిస్కస్ చేసింది.
సార్ సాత్విక్ అడిగారు
మాకు
సార్.
చెప్పండి మీరే చెప్పలేదు.
ఆల్రెడీ నీకు 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పిన ట్రాక్ 1 లో కూడా, ఎందుకంటే నాకు బ్యాచ్ 2 ట్రాక్ 1 ఉంది.
సార్ ఏమన్నాడు, సాటర్డే వస్తా అన్నాడు సార్, అందుకే.
స్టడీ లో నేను ఆల్రెడీ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ట్రాక్ 1 చెప్పా, గుర్తుందా? అది
సార్ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మీకు వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టొచ్చు కదా సార్.
పెట్టండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఏ ట్రాక్ అయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. నేను 2 ట్రాక్స్ మీరు ఏ ట్రాక్ అయినా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే వాట్సాప్ పెట్టండి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
రైట్, కంప్లీటెడ్ పేపర్.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next, again, continue application. How many applications? Actually, 20 applications are there in expansion of solids. 6 or maybe 7 completed. 6 completed.
5 completed, sir.
Okay, 5. Right. 6th start.
ఆల్ఫా అది కనిపెట్టాను.
Right. Okay. No problem. 6th start. So 6th one, only for rod none. 6th application is rod. For rod. Uniform rod. So in rod case, number of applications are there. Again, applications.
సార్ 5th అప్లికేషన్ నుంచి 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి సార్.
Okay, first one. A. First one, A. Difference in length. Difference in length. Independent of temperature. Independent of temperature. So difference in length of independent of temperature. Right. So this is the concept actually. 2 different materials. Brass, steel, copper, anyone. 2 different materials. Rise of temperature is same. For rising temperature, same temperature. For example, initial temperature T1, final temperature T2. For example, 38 to 40. Both are same rise of temperature. Same rising temperature. Initial length are different. 2 different rods are taken. Under different materials. 2 different materials are taken. These 2 of initial length are different. For example, 4 meters. Brass 4 meters. Copper 5 meters. Not equal. Different initial lengths. but same rise of temperature. Rise of temperature is same. So this is the one rod. For example, copper or any one. So this is the length L1. Alpha 1. Material is different, alpha 1. So another rod is, this is the rod, this is the copper or brass. This is the copper, this is the brass. So length is L2. L2. This is the alpha 2. But these two of rise of temperature is same, same expansion of length. Change in length also same. Change in length also same. This is the condition. And this is the T1, for example, this is the temperature T1 degree C. Both are heated to T2 degree C. Delta T is same. Delta T is same. Same. Delta T same temperature. Delta T is same temperature. This the rod also expand some distance. This also expand some distance. Both are change in expansion same. Both are change in expansion same. Then the condition L1 alpha 1 equal to L2 alpha 2. L1 alpha 1 equal to L2 alpha 2. This is the condition. Or L1 by L2 equal to alpha 2 by alpha 1. So two different materials of different lengths with a different coefficient of linear expansions. Then rise in temperature is same. Then change in length also remains same or constant. Change in length also same. So then the condition L1 alpha 1 equal to L2 alpha 2. L1 by L2 equal to R alpha 2 by alpha 1. Some problems again, difference of length is given. L1 minus L2 or L2 minus L1 is equal to some value X. Find the individual length calculated. L1 value and L2 value calculated. So L1 equal to alpha 1 X by alpha 1 minus alpha 2 or L2 equal to alpha 2X by alpha 1 minus alpha 2. Individual length also calculated. Difference of length is given. Individual length also calculated. This is the another formula. Okay. Okay, write down. First, two rods of different material. Two rods of different materials. Two rods of different materials having different lengths are heated at the same temperature. Are heated at the same temperature. Right. Next paragraph. Let L1 L2 be the length of two rods. Initial length of the two rods. Let L1 L2 be the initial length of the two rods. Of linear expansion coefficients. Alpha 1 and alpha 2 respectively.
This weekend exam, we did not get any question from beta, sir. That aerial expansion, we did not get any question.
Beta, huh?
Yes, sir, no question.
Okay. So alpha, beta, gamma.
In alpha only we got, sir.
Yes, only alpha is got, right?
Yes.
Gamma ఒక question వచ్చింది sir.
Alpha is equal to 5 by 9 alpha. F is one problem is there.
Two problems.
Yes sir, అది
Sir, your KFC,
application నుంచి వచ్చింది sir.
the KFC
Gamma equal to 3, gamma equal to 3 alpha equal to gamma by 3 calculated. Again, substitute one problem.
Yes.
your KFC question came, sir. KFC question.
Gumchat. Right. Theory bits also 3 bits are covered. Volume Mercury thermometer based on Charles law. high specific heat, low thermal conductivity,
Science and Kelvin science.
Mercury.
mercury. These also all 3 bits also covered. Right. Next one.
నిజం చెప్పాలంటే మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసింది అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కరెక్ట్ సార్. సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసింది కొన్ని తప్పని కొన్ని కరెక్ట్.
Right. For different lengths, for difference in lengths, for difference in lengths, for difference in lengths, L1 minus L2 or L2 minus L1 equal to X. For difference in lengths, L2 minus L1 equal to X remains constant. Both the rods should have same expansion. Both the rods should have same expansion. Expansion same temperature. This is the important. For first rod, change in length delta L equal to L alpha delta T. So L1 alpha 1 delta T. For second rod, delta L equal to L2 alpha 2 delta T. Rise of temperature same, change in length same. Should have same expansion delta L. So from equation 1 and 2, so L1 alpha 1 delta T equal to L2 alpha 2 delta T. Delta T get cancelled. L1 alpha 1 equal to L2 alpha. Or L1 by L2 equal to alpha 2 by alpha 1. L1 by L2 equal to alpha 2 by alpha 1.
Sir, L is inversely proportional to alpha.
L is inversely proportional because this is the product inversely proportional. Today also send weekend syllabus send today. Already today also send up to liquids, solids complete and the liquid relation between gamma and gamma.
Yesterday only sir sent sir.
Okay.
Sir, the PDF about the problems or the syllabus sheets?
Problems same.
That we did not get.
Previous also same. Problems only, model problems. Same, every week also same. Every week send weekend.
Yes, sir.
New student. Right. So L1 alpha 1 equal to L2 alpha 2, L1 by L2 equal to alpha 2 by alpha 1. Okay. This is the one condition. Second condition, right? So L2 minus L1 equal to X. This is the B part, second part. This is the one condition. So L2 minus L1 equal to X. Right. So L1 by L2 is equal to alpha 2 by alpha 1. Right. We know that. So both sides minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus L1 by L2. 1 minus L1 by L2 equal to 1 minus alpha 2 by alpha 1. 1 minus alpha 2 by alpha 1. So L2 minus L1 by L2 equal to alpha 1 minus alpha 2 by alpha 1. That implies L2 minus L1 means X. X by L2 equal to alpha 1 minus alpha 2 by alpha 1. Right. So next one, L2 by reverse. That implies L2 by X equal to alpha 1 by alpha 1 minus alpha. So alpha 2 equal to alpha 1 X by alpha 1 minus alpha. So difference of length is given, individual length calculated, L2 equal. Similarly, L1. So L1 equal to alpha 2 into X by alpha 1 minus alpha. Similarly,
Sir, what is
alpha
X?
2x by, so individual length calculated by using these formulas. L1 equal to alpha 2x by alpha 1 minus alpha 2, alpha 2 equal to alpha 1x by alpha 1 minus alpha 2.
Sir, what is X, sir?
Difference, sir.
Friends.
L2 minus L1 equal to x. Given.
Okay,
Difference
sir.
of length is given.
Okay.
Some value 5 centimeter or 3 centimeters are given. So individual length calculated by using these formulas. Alpha 1 given, alpha 2 given, x also given, x also given. Difference also, difference of length is also given. Maybe refer one example problem also. Example problem or a PDF 2 problems. They're right. Actually, individual length calculated by using this one. Right. Next one. Right. Third exercise, 10th problem. Problem number 10. Problem number 10, exercise 3. So part number C, rod, third part. The function. Go. Right. Problem number exercise 3, third exercise. So problem number 10. Two uniform metal rods of length L1 and L2 and their linear coefficient of expansions alpha 1 and alpha 2 respectively are connected to form a single rod of length L1 plus L2. When the temperature of the combined rod is raised by T degrees C, the length of each rod increased by same amount, then alpha 2 by alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is the question mark. So we know that so in terms of capital L1 by L2 is equal to alpha 2 by alpha 1, or capital L2 by capital L1 equal to alpha 1 by alpha 2. So both sides minus 1. 1 plus L2 by L1 is equal to 1 plus alpha 1 by alpha 2. That implies L1 plus L2 by L1 equal to alpha 2 plus alpha 1 by alpha 2. So both are reverse. Right. Therefore, L1 by alpha 2 by alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to
L1 by L1 plus L2.
L1 by L1 plus L2. This is the answer. Very important. Concept problem. Third exercise. Third exercise. 10th problem. Exercise 3, 10th one.
I have a doubt in the question.
Tell me.
Same books. Wait, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, page number one.
Page number?
Not one, sir. Chaitanya book, sir. Not.
101.
Yes, sir. Page number.
Heat part.
8 part only, sir.
Okay. 101. Page number not. This is actually only 3 volumes there. Actually, your made 4 volumes are there. Your books. My book only 3 volumes. ABC.
Exercise 1, sir. Exercise 1.
18th question, sir.
Exercise 1. Which exercise?
Exercise 1, sir.
Huh?
Exercise 1, sir. Graph the given, sir. The graph between two temperature scales A and B shown in figure 11.1.
18th one?
28 questions, sir. A graph
question?
between the graph with 28 questions, sir.
28 already completed. Why? The graph between two temperature scales A and B are shown in the figure between upper fixed point and lower fixed points there. Why?
I think some doubts, sir.
Which doubt? This is the direct formula. Temperature scale, Kelvin scale.
S minus LFE by UFE minus.
So TA, this is the axis is first one, x-axis is A, y-axis is B. So TA minus 180 by 180 minus this is the value 32.
Yes, sir.
TB means y-axis, TB. So TB value, TB minus lower fixed point is 0 by 100. Which temperature this one? 180. 30.
Sir, can you explain once?
38. Second option correct?
Yes, sir, that's the option.
Direct answer that. By direct. This is the 0, this is the 100. This is the TA na, A na, this is the B na, this is the 100. 100. This is the 100. Actually, this is the 100. This is the 0. 150. This is also 1. This is 100.
Sir, 8 questions, sir.
This is the 30. 180. This is the TB. This is the TA. Upper fixed point TA minus what is the scale? Any scale. Scale minus LFP by UFP minus
LFP.
LFP.
LFP equal to constant.
By direct to TA. TA minus what is the lower fixed point? 30. What is the upper fixed point? 180. 180 minus lower fixed point? 30. This is the difference also 150 na. So what is the scale? TB. So TB means lower fixed point is 0. Upper fixed means 100 minus 0.
100.
Direct TA minus 30 by 150 equal to TB by 100. By time simple problem.
Bulb thermometer maintained, sir.
Huh?
Bulb thermometer.
ఎక్కడుందా బాయ్?
Outside page, 17th question, outside, sir. 17th bulb thermometer.
Normal bulb.
One type of thermometer in shape of bulb.
Yes, sir.
Chilly doubts. Right. Right on the next one. Okay, right. Next one. Next example problem. Right. Next one. A, B, C completed D. Rod D. So in case of rod D application, write down Example problem 12.18. 12.18. My middle is 12.18.
Equilateral triangle, sir.
Equilateral triangle.
Yes.
And equilateral triangle ABC is formed by joining three rods. An equilateral triangle ABC is formed by joining three rods of equal length and D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. The coefficient of linear expansion for AB is alpha 1. The coefficient of linear expansion for AB is alpha 1. And for AC and BC is alpha 2. AC and BC is alpha 2. If distance DC remains constant, the distance DC remains constant. For small change in temperature, find the relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. Find the relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. Find the relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. Find the relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. Right. Find the relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2. Correct. This is the total. This is the rod. This is the one type of material is made of alpha 1. These two rods are same material. Is alpha 2. For example, these two copper, these are brass. This is the only constant term. Okay. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to, from figure, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square or CD square. Okay, this one. This is the length. For example, this is the length is L2, this is L1. This rod is L1 length. This is L2 rod. Okay, this is a constant H. H is the height or some constant term. So what is the AC? AC means L2 square. What is the AD? L1 by 2 whole square. Because total L1 is the total length. But only AD means half of the length. L by 2 whole square plus H square. CD or DC or H square. Right. So L2 square equal to 1 by 4 into L1 square plus H square. The above equation differentiate on both sides. The above equation differentiate. The above equation differentiate on both sides. So D or delta of L2 square equal to delta of 1 by 4 into L1 square. So delta of H square plus delta or D, no problem. You take D, no problem. D. Without respect to only differentiate. With respect also no problem. DT all cancel. So first one, this is the differentiation. 2 L2 2 minus 1 into DL2. Okay, DL2. D into L2. So 2 minus 1 is equal to, so this one is 1 by 4 into 2 L1 2 minus 1 into DL1 plus, so 0. Differentiation of constant term 0. Differentiation of constant term 0. Difference, okay na? Constant term is 0. Okay. Right. So 2 L2 DL2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, no problem. 2. 2 by 4 into L1 DL1. Okay, 2 by 4 into L1. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into L1 DL1 DL2 DL2. But actually DL2 is equal to general formula. Okay. DL. So alpha, but actually alpha equal to L2 minus L1 by L1 into T2 minus T1. DL by delta R DL by L into DT. Okay, temperature difference. Or delta or delta or D is better. As your choice. Take delta or delta L. Okay. D or delta. So no problem. Delta means you take delta, delta. Okay. So D delta delta. D also delta. D are delta. Delta or D, no problem. Okay, this is also delta L by delta T. Okay, delta DL by delta T. So same formula. This is a D2. What is the delta L? So delta L is equal to L alpha delta T. Okay, L alpha delta T. Delta L equal to L alpha delta T. This is also same. 2L2 is equal to L2 related L2 alpha alpha 2 delta T equal to 1 by 2 L1. What is this one? L1 alpha 1 delta T. Delta T same temperature. Delta T cancel. Right. 2 into L1 L2 square. L2 square alpha 2 equal to 1 by 2 into L1 square alpha 1. Right. So L2 by L1 whole square is equal to 1 by 4 into alpha 1 by alpha 2. Alpha 1 by alpha 2. Alpha 1 by alpha 2. Or L1 by L2. L1 by L2 whole square equal to 4 into alpha 2 by alpha 1. So that implies L1 by L2 is equal to 2 into under root of alpha 2 by alpha 1. So L1 by L2 equal to
Sir,
2 into under root of alpha 2 by alpha 1. If length are equal, for example, L1 equal to L2, length are equal. So next substitute. First of with different lengths. So L1 by ratio of length equal to L1 by L2 equal to 2 into under root of L2 by L1.
sir, అక్కడే L2 L1 సేమ్ కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేయచ్చు కదా సార్ లాస్ట్ థర్డ్ స్టెప్
No. This is a problem. This is a different problem. One asking not in this one. Different lengths are given. This is a ratio 1 problem.
1:2 అయితే కదా ఒకవేళ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే రేషియో.
Next రాజు. This is a one relation. Alpha and alpha 1, alpha 2 relation 1 problem. Different length 1 problem. 2 problems are there. This question asking 2 types. One is a different length. Another is the same length.
సార్ సేమ్ లెంత్ అయితే రేషియో అడుగుతాడా సార్?
Relation. Alpha 1, alpha 2 relation. Relation. Both are, for example, if L1 equal to L2, both are cancelled.
2:1.
Alpha 1 equal to 4 alpha 2. Alpha 1 equal to 4 alpha 2. Remaining four A, B, C, D, 8. Total rod applications 8.
సార్ ఎక్సైజ్ లో ఇప్పటి వరకు అయిన క్వశ్చన్స్ నెక్స్ట్ 2-3 సమ్స్
Only two, maybe 1 or 2 sums. Okay, completed. Next one, if L1 equal to L2, if L1 equal to L2 is equal to L for same length, so L by L equal to 2 under root of alpha 2 by alpha 1. Get cancelled. Okay, so 1 is equal to 2 under root of the 1 squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Therefore, 1 is equal to 4 into alpha 2 by alpha 1. 1 is equal to 4 into alpha 2 by alpha 1. So alpha 1 equal to 4 alpha 2. Alpha 1 equal to 4 alpha 2.
సార్ 1 సార్.
So length, different lengths L1 by L2 equal to ratio of length calculated. 2 under root of alpha 2 by alpha 1. So if length are equal, so relation between alpha 1 and alpha 2 is alpha 1 equal to 4 alpha 2.
Sir, ratio will get 4:1, no, sir? They ask alpha 1 by alpha 2.
So alpha 1 by alpha 2 equal to
4:1.
Alpha 1 by alpha 2 equal to 4. Ratio of coefficients also 4:1.
4:1.
Right. So next, E. CD completed E. Very, very, very important gunshot. Average coefficient of thermal average alpha and average coefficient of air expansion. Average coefficient of linear expansion of composite rod. Right. two different rods now. Actually, two different rods are joined. Actually, same joined. Alpha 1 L1, alpha 2 L2. Right. The effective, okay. Now. The effective coefficient of linear expansion of the composite rod. The effective coefficient of effective coefficient of linear expansion. Linear expansion of the composite rod. Okay. The effective coefficient of linear expansion of the composite rod is so L1. The L copper under two different rods. So delta L is equal to for example delta L for example copper plus delta L copper iron or bismuth, any run, two different metals. So change in length of two different metals is iron Fe. So this is the total. What is the delta L? But delta L equal to L alpha delta T. These are both length ante L copper plus L iron into alpha average into delta T equal to. So L copper, alpha copper, delta T plus L copper plus alpha copper, iron into alpha average into delta T equal to. So L copper, alpha copper, delta T plus L iron, alpha iron into delta T. So delta T common cancel. So alpha average equal to, so Cu alpha Cu plus L Fe alpha Fe by, so LCu plus LFE. Very important. Therefore, alpha average equal to L1 alpha 1 plus L2 alpha 2 by, so L1 plus L. Average coefficient of linear expansion. Example problem also important, and the number of problems are there. So gunshot formula 12.15. 12.15. Very important. Very important formula. So right. Formula also important. So L1 alpha 1 plus L2 alpha 2 by L1 plus L. L1 alpha 1 plus L2 alpha 2 by L1 plus L. So next class, common temperature. So remaining three composite rod of change in length and common temperature calculated. Okay, next class. Kirana, boy.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.